Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. Today I'll show you how to manage your Google Pay account. Firstly, open Google Pay. And now we're in the home screen. Here we can manage our activity, add card, and participate in different banks. Click here to add payment method or remove a card. Tap here to see your all passes in one place. You can also add pass, gift cards, plane tickets, and loyalty cards. Tap here. Here we've got activity, participating banks, enter promo code, settings, contactless setup, help and support, send feedback, and about. Click your activity, and here you can see all your activity. By tapping here, we are going to Google Pay website and see banks we can participate in. Enter promo code. Here we can enter promo code if you got one. And settings. General and notifications. In general, we can set up email updates, Gmail imports, location settings. We can edit our info and privacy control. In notifications, we can turn on to see purchases, offers and tips, and updates about your passes. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.